In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best cable stripper you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best cable stripper in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is KNIPEX cable stripper. Right off the bat, you can tell this tool is made with German engineering. The build quality is exceptional, with clean machining, solid construction, and no wobble or flex in the mechanism. It feels sturdy and balanced in your hand, not too heavy, not too light. And that matters when you're using it for extended periods. What sets this KNIPEX stripper apart is how precise and effortless it makes stripping different types of cables. It handles round cables with outer diameters up to approximately 1 to 9/64 inches with ease. Whether you're stripping sheathed cables, coaxial wiring, or multi-core cables, the blades deliver clean, consistent results without damaging the inner conductors. The cutting blades are razor sharp, and after several weeks of daily use, they still haven't dulled. I especially appreciate the adjustable cutting depth, which lets me dial in the exact amount of insulation I want to remove, reducing the risk of nicking the wires inside. This is ideal for stripping both delicate wires and heavy-duty sheathing on larger cables. It's incredibly versatile for such a compact tool. KNIPEX has also done a great job with the ergonomics. The tool fits comfortably in my hand, and the handle design gives great leverage with minimal fatigue. The operation is smooth, and there's a tactile precision in every motion. Even after stripping several dozen cables in a row, my hand didn't feel strained. Our second best cable stripper is Fluke Network's round cable stripper. If you work in networking, telecommunications, or data cabling, you know that a good cable stripper is more than just a convenience, it's a necessity. I've used a variety of tools over the years, but the Fluke Network's 11230002 round cable stripper quickly earned a permanent spot in my toolkit. It's compact, efficient, and incredibly reliable for stripping round cables with speed and precision. The tool is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry in a pocket or clip onto a tool belt. Despite its compact size, the body is solid and feels durable enough to withstand the wear and tear of job site use. After months of daily use, mine still works like new, with no signs of wear on the blade or housing. Another key feature is the replaceable blade. Unlike cheaper models that wear out and need to be tossed, the Fluke stripper is built to last. When the blade eventually dulls, it's easy to swap it out and keep going, which adds value and reduces waste. Fluke is a well-known name in the industry, and this tool reflects their high standards. It's specifically designed to strip round cables cleanly and accurately, which is exactly what most structured cabling jobs require. Whether you're working with Cat5e, Cat6, or other data cables, this stripper gets the job done without damaging the conductors inside. Third pick in our list is Klein Tool's self-adjusting stripper. This isn't your average wire stripper. The 11061 model features a self-adjusting mechanism that automatically accommodates a wide range of wire sizes. 10 to 20 American wire gauge solid wire, 12 to 22 American wire gauge stranded wire, and even Romex wire, 12-2 and 14-3. No more fiddling with dials or wasting time lining things up manually. Just insert the wire, squeeze the handle, and you get a clean, consistent strip every time. The tool has a tensioning knob too, which lets you fine-tune the grip strength depending on insulation thickness. That's a thoughtful touch, especially when working with delicate wire that might get nicked by more aggressive strippers. The Klein Tools 11061 self-adjusting wire stripper is one of those tools that just makes your job easier. Whether you're a pro electrician, technician, or a home project enthusiast, this tool will seriously up your game. It's efficient, precise, and tough enough to earn a permanent spot in any toolkit. If you want one tool that can handle a wide range of wiring tasks without hassle, this is it. Highly recommended. Klein Tools has a solid reputation, and this stripper lives up to the name. It feels sturdy and well-balanced, with a rugged metal frame and a smooth operation that never feels cheap or flimsy. The ergonomic handle has a solid grip and doesn't strain your hand, even after extended use. Number 4 in our side is KAIWEETS wire stripper. If you're looking for an affordable, quality wire stripper that doesn't feel cheap or flimsy, this is a fantastic pick. Ideal for home repairs, automotive projects, and general electrical work. For a manual wire stripper, the KAIWEETS multi-purpose wire stripping tool checks all the boxes. It's reliable, accurate, and built to handle multiple jobs in one compact tool. The handle has a comfortable, non-slip grip that works great even when your hands are sweaty or you're wearing gloves. It's ergonomic enough to reduce hand fatigue during long tasks, but still provides a strong grip for accurate cuts. Build-wise, this tool feels sturdy and durable, made with high-quality steel that looks like it will stand up to frequent use. The action is smooth, and the spring-loaded mechanism makes repetitive stripping fast and less tiring. The KAIWEETS wire stripper handles 10 to 22 AWG wire with ease. It offers clean, precise strips every time, which is exactly what you want when working with electrical wires. There's no excessive tugging or uneven cuts, and it's consistent across various insulation types. It's clearly marked with wire gauge sizes on the jaws, so you don't have to guess which notch to use. What I especially appreciate is the 3-in-1 functionality. It's not just a stripper. You also get a wire cutter and crimper built into the design, plus a screw cutter that supports common sizes. Last in our best cable stripper list is Jonard Tools CST1900 round cable stripper. If you work with coaxial or round cables regularly, the Jonard Tools CST1900 round cable stripper is a tool that can seriously improve both the quality and efficiency of your work. The CST1900 is designed to handle cable diameters ranging from 3/16 inch to 1 1/8 inches, which means it covers a wide range of applications, from small coax cables to thicker network or control cables. What sets this tool apart is how precise and consistent it is in stripping outer jackets without damaging the internal conductors or shielding. Whether you're doing a ring cut or a straight strip, it delivers clean, professional-grade results every time. The adjustable blade depth is a game changer. It allows you to dial in exactly the right setting, depending on the thickness of the jacket you're working with. This minimizes the risk of nicking inner insulation, which is especially critical when prepping sensitive fiber or coax cables. The tool has a solid, professional-grade construction. The body feels rugged and durable, made to withstand tough job site conditions. Yet it's not bulky or uncomfortable to use. The ergonomics are well thought out, with a non-slip grip and a compact size that fits easily in your hand or tool pouch. Using the CST1900 is intuitive. Just clamp it onto the cable, rotate a few times, and slide the jacket off.